What's going on? I just bought this battery and it says 5800 milliamp hours. Hey, hold on. 5800 milliamp hours? So let's try it. There it is. 5800 milliamp hours printed right on the battery. No damage. Looks brand new, nothing suspicious. If this is a genuine battery, then it should last a long time and the actual capacity should be very high. Let's check the numbers on the label, because the numbers on the label often don't mean much. First of all, so we need to check the voltage. So let's have a quick voltage test. Yes, it looks perfectly normal. 4.2 or 4.18 or 9 is good. There are no suspicious signs here, but voltage doesn't tell the whole story, because what really matters is how much power it can deliver. So let's find out. So look at this. The battery is fully charged, so we can easily look at the screen and see that. Now we begin the battery discharge test. At first, everything seems fine, stable, no problems. But then the voltage starts to drop faster than normal. And it doesn't slow down. That's not what you expect from a battery of this capacity. By this point, it's clear something is wrong. A 5800 milliamp hours battery shouldn't be behaving like this, not even close. So either this battery is faulty, or those numbers don't mean anything. Okay, here are the results. This battery says 5800 milliamp hours, but what's the reality? It's only showing 3 or 400 milliamp hours, a fraction of that number, not even half, not nose at all. I have 2 other batteries. Let's add 2 more batteries. There are also 1A650 batteries. One says 1500 milliamp hours. The other says 2 amp hours, equivalent to 2000 milliamp hours. I ran a similar test, and guess what? Did anyone make a mistake? Hey, so what do we have? These 2 batteries are from 2 fairly well-known battery brands, and from the results we get, although the capacity might be slightly lower than the number on the label, it's still very good. It's understandable that these 2 batteries have been used for some time. So what do you think of the 3 tests I did? It is just due to poor quality control, or are these capacity numbers basically meaningless? I regularly test batteries like this, so if you don't want to waste money, remember to subscribe to the channel. And next, I'm going to test a larger capacity battery from a very big brand in the battery industry. Let's see if it's any better. So bye bye, see you.